today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture. And today we are going to draw a cherry. So let's start with the 30. Ooh la la. But anyway, it's kind of stretched. Somebody stretched the 0. What was that face about? Okay, so anyway, I have to just do now the bottom line. Oh yeah, I hate this part. Okay, so while we drawing the cherries, I'm going to start with the sticks because, well, on the example that I previously drew, you see it's kind of uneven. So now we draw the faces. So I select this one, and I want to change this one like this, and this one like this. I don't know why did I do it, but fine. The cherries are perfectly done. So now time for the sparkle and spots method. So yeah, basically it's sparkle spot, sparkle spot, sparkle spot, sparkle spot. So yeah, sparkle spot, 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 bombastic side eye. I was just spamming sparkle spot. That's about me. I'm always the spammer. Whoa, I like spamming. Sometimes it's fun. Just kidding, it's not. Don't spam, guys, especially in online games. Everybody will hate you in the game. Okay, yeah. That's cool. I was wondering, why doesn't the lid close? Of course, Choky, when you are putting, look, like this is the head of the lid. I mean, come on, why are you not closing? Yeah. Like Choky, of course, if you were like, can't find words, like if you poke your pen into the top of the cap, it won't close, obvious. This is why the bottom has a hole. Look, easy. Epic explosions. Okay, anyway, we are finished with the cherries today. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the likes, comments, and subscribes. And everybody who did it, good job. Keep up the likes. And anyway, thanks for enjoying these awfully cute cherries with me. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.